Bathroom Sink Trends, 2025. Get ready to elevate your bathroom with the latest trends in bathroom sinks for 2025. In this video, we will show you the hottest designs, materials, and features that are taking the industry by storm. As we step into 2025, the bathroom sink is no longer just a functional fixture, it's a design statement. Whether you're renovating your entire bathroom or simply upgrading your sink, staying informed about the latest trends will help you create a space that feels modern, luxurious, and uniquely yours. Here are the key bathroom sink trends defining 2025. 1. Sculptural and artistic designs. Bathroom sinks in 2025 are embracing artistry like never before. Homeowners and designers are leaning into statement sinks that function as standalone works of art. These aren't your standard rectangular or oval basins. They're asymmetrical, abstract, or inspired by nature, with curves and edges that catch the eye. You'll see sinks shaped like flowing water, flower petals, or carved stone blocks, blurring the line between sculpture and utility. This trend reflects a shift toward personalization and creative expression in the bathroom, making the sink a central design feature rather than a secondary thought. 2. Natural materials. A strong return to organic materials is at the heart of 2025 sink trends. Stone, wood, and clay are in high demand, often left with minimal processing to highlight their raw textures and tones. Sinks crafted from travertine, riverstone, concrete, and even reclaimed wood, sustainably treated and sealed, bring an earthy, grounded vibe to modern bathrooms. These materials aren't just about looks. They align with a broader movement toward nature-inspired interiors and eco-conscious design. 3. Bold colors. While neutral tones continue to be a staple, 2025 is seeing a resurgence of bold, expressive sink colors. Deep greens, navy blues, rich terracotta, and matte blacks are trending, allowing homeowners to inject personality into the bathroom in an impactful yet manageable way. These colorful sinks are often paired with minimalist countertops or walls to let the basin become the focal point. Expect to see vibrant glazes on ceramic sinks and even colored concrete options for a more modern twist. 4. Floating vanities and integrated sinks. Space-saving and sleek floating vanities with integrated sinks are becoming a go-to for contemporary bathrooms. The integrated look, where the sink is built into the countertop in one seamless surface, is not only minimalist and elegant, but also easier to clean. These units often appear as if they're hovering above the floor, giving small bathrooms a lighter, more open feel. Many new models feature hidden storage or recessed handles, keeping the focus on clean lines and simplicity. 5. Sustainability and smart water use. Environmental awareness is influencing every aspect of interior design, and bathroom sinks are no exception. In 2025, manufacturers are emphasizing sustainable production methods, recycled materials, and smart water-saving technology. Faucets integrated with touchless sensors and aerators help reduce water usage without sacrificing performance. You'll also find sinks made from recycled metal, glass, or composite materials, offering a stylish yet eco-friendly alternative to traditional porcelain or plastic. Choosing a sustainable sink is now both a design and a moral decision. 6. Textured bathroom sink. Beyond color and shape, texture has become a defining element of bathroom sink design in 2025. Whether it's a hammered metal finish, a rough concrete surface, or subtly rippled ceramic, textured sinks add dimension and depth to a bathroom space. These tactile surfaces invite touch and offer a visual break from the glossy, smooth finishes that have dominated bathrooms for years. They pair beautifully with both natural and industrial design aesthetics, making them highly versatile. 7. Retro revival meets modern. A surprising trend in 2025 is the resurgence of vintage-inspired sinks, but with a modern twist. Think pedestal sinks with updated materials, bold retro colors like mustard yellow or seafoam green, and fluted detailing reminiscent of the mid-century era. These designs are being reimagined using high-end ceramics, natural stones, or composite materials that bring durability and innovation into the nostalgic aesthetic. It's a trend that blends the charm of the past with the demands of modern living. 8. Compact and custom shapes. As urban living continues to emphasize compact spaces, the demand for small, space-saving sink designs is rising. Wall-mounted basins, corner sinks, and trough-style sinks with slim profiles are all seeing a surge in popularity. Designers are responding with custom-fit options that maximize functionality while still looking refined. The emphasis is on sleekness, smart integration with vanities or shelving, and designs that don't sacrifice aesthetics for size. 9. Metallic accents. Polished brass, matte gold, and brushed nickel are elevating sink design in 2025, especially in the form of hardware, inlays, and decorative trim. Metallic finishes add a warm glow and sense of luxury to any space, working well with everything from marble basins to dark granite sinks. Designers are using these accents to highlight sink shapes and lines, or to add a touch of glamour without going over the top. The mix of matte textures and metallic sheens is especially popular for creating a layered, high-end look. 10. Technology meets design. Smart home technology is now reaching the bathroom sink, and in 2025, innovation is a key design driver. From LED illuminated sinks that respond to touch, to integrated temperature control, and even voice-activated faucets, the sink is becoming smarter and more intuitive. Antibacterial surfaces, UV cleaning lights, and app-controlled water usage monitoring are just a few of the futuristic features now available. These advancements aim to improve hygiene, efficiency, and user experience, all while keeping the design sleek and unobtrusive. The bathroom sink trends of 2025 reflect a dynamic mix of artistry, sustainability, smart technology, and bold design. Whether you're looking to make a statement with sculptural shapes, embrace the calming influence of natural materials, or incorporate futuristic features into your daily routine, this year offers a wealth of inspiring possibilities. As bathrooms continue to evolve into wellness-focused sanctuaries, the humble sink is stepping confidently into the spotlight.